T, and you're watching Makeshift Garage. You're watching Makeshift Garage. Welcome back, broskies, to Makeshift Garage. Hey, Alan's coming over to pick up this 650 Triumph. Let's head over to the shop and meet him. I got a plan for that Triumph. I was gonna sell it for this lady and give her the money, and her husband died. She gave me the bike. I tried to do the best I could with it, but guess what? Nobody wanted it. A few guys offered a few $100 and then they never even showed up. So I'm like, dude, I'm not gonna do this bike. I got a Harley to do. I got cars to do. I got too many projects, broskies. I don't got time for this Triumph, and I'm not a Triumph guy. He's gonna come and get it. He who? My man Alan. He's got a great shop. This guy is a perfectionist. When he starts with a bike, he strips it down to nothing and then redoes everything and builds it back up. When he's done, he's gonna have a brand new Triumph, and I think it's a 1978 or 79. He's gonna have a brand new one because that's what the guy does. I'm giving it to him, bro. He's on his way over and he can have it. Woo! When he gets here, I'll show you. He's a good guy, man. We'll have a little chit chat. I'll get the bike, I'll load it up in his truck, and we got a few other things to give him. A couple of baskets for another engine. We got some stuff to give him. We're gonna give it to him, and you watch. You guys gotta follow him, man. You watch him do this bike from the beginning to the end. You'll have a blast, man. He's really good at it.
What's up there, broski?
Alan, what's up, broski?
Can't come empty-handed. I brought the
See?
ideal.
Oh, look at this. Woo! I'm a seltzer guy. He brought the Polar.
I know what the goods are. So
He's got the goods. Good to see you, brother.
Good to see you, brother.
Yes, sir. Hey, you can put him anywhere. Put him right
Mr.
here.
Devin. What's going on, brother?
You can pop him down here.
All right. Toast to the shop.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Woo! Mandarin, bro.
Mm-hmm.
That's just what the doctor ordered.
Woo! So where's Jackass?
Jackass is outside. A lot of shit's outside right now. Yeah. All right, let's go take the look. What do you think of this thing?
It's a bike.
You could almost make two of them. I mean, I threw the frame, another frame out. I wish I never did.
Okay.
I wish I didn't throw it away. It was in my way. Hey, look, I don't know if I found the triple tree or not. What is this?
That might be it.
Is that what's missing?
Yeah.
I knew you'd figure it out.
There's enough here. I can definitely make something work. All the meat and potatoes is here.
Yup. And the motor was here. The guy started taking the bolts out. I don't know where the bolts are to this, but if you look around, it might be in here. He probably threw them in the bottom of the box.
How does this work? You see this thing right here?
Yeah.
So when you get gas going into this carburetor,
Yep.
to fill up the bowl, you go like that and you hold that down until gas pours out.
Oh, no shit.
And then when gas pours out, then the bowl is primed.
All right.
I ended up switching mine from an Amel. You ever heard of Mikuni?
Oh, yeah, I have.
Mikuni make carburetors for aircraft.
Okay.
So I ended up switching it to, I think, like a 64 millimeter Mikuni carburetor.
Okay.
10 times better reliability.
Wow.
You don't have to get the tickler or anything going.
All right. This was a free van. We'll start with that.
Free is beautiful.
Free van. It runs really good. It leaks oil, so I got some gasket kits for the covers. Because it drips here and smokes. But once we fix that, it'll be fine.
Just the valve cover gasket.
Yeah. I'll put a brand new battery in it. I did the struts on the other side already. I'm doing the strut on this side. And then I got shocks for the back. We threw a muffler on it. We fixed the window switch, which the windows didn't work, but once I fixed the switch, bam, everything works.
How many miles are on it?
I like 235. But these engines are really good. This thing runs really good. Don't make any ticking noise and nothing. So I'm gonna take this free van and do a road trip down to Virginia. Ray Birch is he's a race car guy. He builds race transmissions. He has a machine shop and everything. He's gonna build me a race transmission. We're gonna film the whole thing and teach everybody how to rebuild and build a race transmission for a C4.
I love it.
Yeah, so we're gonna have fun with that. That's gonna be a whole lot of fun. I can't wait.
Good stuff.
This is exciting, you know.
Yeah, no, because I got
Free
this,
shit.
when I came here, none of the walls were painted. I think I'm gonna say 2, maybe 3 years ago. Yeah, he went to NASCAR school.
He did. He went down to school.
You know what? It's not like
Institute.
I've lost a lot of touch with you guys
Right.
because the social media kind of kept keeping us in together. Like, all right, this is
Same.
what
I would
they're doing.
see you blast on now and again. And then of
Yeah.
course you got the 68. That was in that other makeshift garage.
Yes.
We rolled it out, put it in here, we put a motor in it, we fired it up, but now we're gonna rip the motor back out. We're gonna put this on a rotisserie and we're gonna weld up some stuff on the bottom. we don't want to mess around. We started jumping the gun, having fun, but.
Well, you get excited. I mean, I saw the whole Jackass, everybody signing it.
Oh yeah, it's out here.
Yeah, let's go take a look.
Come on, let's go take a look. Go outside. Ford Galaxy 500 fastback, and on this one, what did I do? I think I had a 352 laying around, so I rebuilt it and threw it in here, and just to move it around because it was stuck in one spot. So now, you know, she moves around, she runs good, she sounds good, and this is a great car. It's a great car, but we're gonna rip this out of here and put a 427 side oiler in it. So we're just, you know, but I wanted to move it around. It was stuck in one spot. Right. So now it moves around. Right now, I wouldn't do a whole lot. Now, don't get me wrong. It sounds fucking really cool. It should fire up. I might have to hit it with gas, but let's see. No, it's a pretty cool car. It's actually a very cool car. Let's see if it fires up.
Should.
Rebuild I threw on this thing. It was a 352 laying around. I was like,
you got to show up to like a Lamborghini Ferrari meet and just totally crash them out with this thing. Everything you want.
Yeah, this thing runs too. This is, somebody gave us this. I switched them for a wrecked Honda, and he gave me this Ford Ranger, and it runs good. I just got to do some more work to it. Put a water pump in, a few things.
You can't get a bed for them. You got to buy patch panels.
Yeah, I'm not even going to sweat it. I'm just going to cut the wheel wells out.
When you start ripping your pants every time you walk past.
No, I'm going to cut it out.
I had to get a patch panel for here because I don't care if it's rust. I'll put Bondo, but the whole thing is every time I ruin a pair of jeans because I catch it on the rust.
Yep. And then the Jackass, of course. You know, that's got the 460 big block Ford. Look at the signatures. That's sweet. It's so fun. But I don't know, if I don't clear coat it soon, all them names are gonna fade again. I had it filled once before, and then everything faded. You can see the faded names behind. They're already, some of them are starting to fade already.
And you've broken so much shit on this. The rear end was the problem?
I went through the rear, I went through the drivetrain, I went through, you know, and now we got new heads for it, so I got another big cam in it. So, but we're having fun with this. This is like fun.
The mirror is the best.
The mirror
for the loser. For the loser, just so he knows where he's at.
He can watch himself lose.
This is awesome.
And then this is Devin's Cadillac. This has a 472 big block in it. She's a great car though. This thing is sweet. So we got a few things to do on it, but it runs, starts, drives. I could use it right now. Now look at this thing. This is a 53. We just got this done. This got a 460 big block Ford in it too. It's a Chrysler. So yeah, you can look at the motor right there, man. It's got headers on it. It's got headers on it from a pickup truck. I had to shift the motor mounts around. The frame is an E250 Ford van. The frame. We ripped the old frame out, put that frame in it, and then
you did such a great job.
Yeah, she's a monster, man.
This is really clever.
This thing runs great. She sounds good. She's fun. This is fun. This is the truck you saw with the Bobby Black. This is the 65.
Yeah, this one. You took this down and brought Devin to school, didn't you?
I did, and then he blew it up.
Blew it up. Yeah.
I brought it back, brought him a car, brought it back, rebuilt a 390 instead of a 360, and now it's got 390 in it.
Holy cow.
Yeah. She's a lot of fun.
Hollywood's gonna be calling you for their next Mad Max movie.
This is so Mad Max. So was the Jackass. Well, you know, when I had the mud tires on, it definitely was. So this thing's a monster. She's a beast, and we love it, man. We're gonna turn it into a tow truck. That's our tow truck. Okay. We're gonna put a trailer behind it and drag the Jackass to the racetrack with this.
What a clever idea.
Yeah, that'll be fun. We already got stickers in the making for it. It's gonna be Tankenstein.
One.
All right, broskies, so we're back. We got things taken care of, and now we got time for more projects. Let's get that done.